Welcome to Padam Padikalam. Today's 7th standard, term 1, prose 1, section 2. In the last section, we learned about Hamid went to village fair with his friends. This section deals with the shopping done by Hamid in village fair and went to pray in Idgah with 3 paces in his hand. Do you have experience going to shopping with very less money in your hand? Almost all of us experienced. Want to buy something? But the money made us think money is everything. Always keep it in your mind. Money alone can't buy happiness. Let's see about Hamid. Soon the roads began to get crowded. Some people were on tonkas and ekkas. Tonkas means vehicle carried by a horse, and ekkas also vehicle carried by a horse. But the difference is tonkas means carried by one horse, ekkas means more than one horse. Some in motor cars, all wearing perfume, all bursting with excitement. The children were a calm and contented lot. For village children, everything in the town was wonderful. Whatever caught their eye, they stood and gaped with wonder. At last, the Idgah came into view. There were row upon row of worshippers, as far as the eye could see. Newcomers lined themselves behind the ones already there. The prayer was over. Men impressed each other. They descended on the sweet and toy vendors' toes like an army moving to attack. There was a merry-go-round with wooden elephants, horses and camels. You paid 1 paise and had 25 rounds of fun. Mohammed, Mohsin, Noori and Sami mounted the horses and camels. Hamid watched them from a distance. All he had were 3 paces. He couldn't part with the third of his treasure for a new miserable round. They were soon done with their rides. Then it was time for the toys. There was row of stalls on one side with all kinds of toys. Soldiers and milkmaids, kings and ministers, water carriers and washerwomen and holy men. Muhammad bought a policeman in khaki with the red turban on his head and the gun on his shoulder. Mohsin bought a water carrier while Noori got a lawyer. Those toys cost 2 paise each. Hamid had only 3 paise. How could he buy such expensive toys? If they dropped out of his hand, they would be smashed to bits. If a drop of water fell on the toys, the color would run. But he looked at them hungrily and wished he could hold them in his hand for just a moment or two. After the toys, it was sweets. Someone bought sesame seeds candy, other gulab jamun and halwa. They smacked their lips with relish. Only Hamid was left out. Now glossary time. Gaped, stared. Smack your lip, open and close noisily to show enjoyment. Released, enjoyed or took pleasure in the taste. Now I am going to give an assignment. Do it at home. Write the names of Hamid's friends in column A and the toys they bought in column B. Thank you.